Selecting Snap Settings from the Snap mode on the status bar brings up the Snap tab of the drafting settings. There are two types of snaps at the bottom: Grid Snap and Polar Snap. When you select Grid Snap, you can enter a numerical value for the snap spacing. On the other hand, when Polar Snap is selected, you can enter a numerical value for the pole distance. First, select Grid Snap. Set the grid spacing to 500 in both X and Y, and draw a rectangle. Use the rectangle in the Draw panel. Move the mouse with the first point to the lower left, and the cursor will move at intervals of 500 vertical and horizontal. You can see the spot and number displayed next to the cursor. Next, switch to Polar Snap from the Snap tab of the drafting settings. Set the polar distance at this time to 500. Then turn on Polar Tracking in the status bar and select an angle multiple of 30 degrees. Polar Snap and Polar Tracking are used in pairs. Using the rectangle in the Draw panel, move the mouse to the upper right with the first point at the lower left. You will see the track path along the 30-degree line, but also the linear distance in multiples of 500. Thus, Grid Snap are locked by vertical and horizontal squares, while Polar Snap are locked by straight line distances. This can also be toggled via the arrows next to Snap mode in the status bar. Thus, the system variable that controls the type of snap is the SnapType. SnapType of 0 results in Grid Snap. Setting the SnapType to 1 makes it Polar Snap.